Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. The original Super Bee dates back to 1968 to 1971, the height of the muscle car era. Dodge saw their sister company, Plymouth, sales surge with the Roadrunner. The classic B-body platform, their mid-size platform that Mopar used for cars such as the Fury, the Coronet, the GTX, the Charger, and Dodge wanted to join the game, so they asked Mopar, and Mopar came out with the 1968 Super Bee that was originally available in colors such as B5 blue and plum crazy purple. Featured prominently on the outside of the Super Bee are the classic emblems, including the back of the seat, the grille, the fenders, and the nice low contrast graphic on the hood of the vehicle. Included on the Super Bee is an 8.4-inch Uconnect entertainment system, which includes the SRT dashboard, giving you features such as line lock, adjustable launch control with different RPM choices to launch at, as well as the performance pages gauges to give you an accurate idea of what's going on while you push this car to the limit. This particular vehicle also includes the carbon and suede option package, so you'll get authentic carbon fiber treatment on the interior, a suede headliner, suede inserts on the seat to hold you in place, as well as a slew of other carbon fiber treatments spaced throughout the interior to give you a nice curb appeal. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one, and if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.